welcome back to my channel. So I decided that I'm going to show you guys a week in my life. Yay! No, for real though, I feel like I've never done a week in my life, and it gets a little hectic. Hopefully I'll be able to share everything with y'all. So if you are new here, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to try to keep this up, and you don't want to miss out. So right now I am working, and it's been a busy Monday. Like, everyone woke up today and felt like, you know what, I'm going to actually work. Like, why? Like, usually Mondays are pretty chill, but not today. Today I had an orientation because we hired new employees, and I had to do orientation, which is not my favorite thing to do. And I've been on the phone back to back, which is not my favorite thing to do. If you need me, email me. I'm an email girl. Like, you need something, email me. So yeah, so I'm running late for lunch right now, so I'm about to stop working for a little bit and go eat and make salah. So I'm pretty sure it's time for salah as well. This morning I didn't get to go to the gym, so that's why I did not start. I had a late start today, so my body is just like done. Like, my body is so tired of me at this point, because the way I work out, the things that I do, like, I need to find better ways to recover, because my recovery process just sucks. Like, at this point, stretching is just not enough, because I really be going ham in the gym. And if you're not going ham, like, what are you doing? Like, if you're doing like baby weights and you feel like you can go more, do more. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so anyways, yeah, I have to pack tomorrow. I'm going to Florida, and that's not like me, because I didn't pack yet, and I really need to hurry up and pack. So sometime today, maybe if I take another break from work, or maybe if it gets slowed down, which I highly doubt it will, I'll start packing. But I really want to start packing before it gets too dark. So yeah, let's get to it. Y'all, I've been using this like for the longest, and it's really good for gut health. It's almost done. I usually do it in the morning if I'm eating like a really big breakfast. If not, then I'll do it during lunchtime. So let me go ahead and get the water first, y'all. And then I just recently bought the Bloom. These, I haven't tried those yet, but I'm trying to finish this first before I open it. And I struggle so much to eat my greens sometimes. I've been doing better, but this really is helpful at the moment. So this is legit like the smartest thing someone could ever like invented, okay? Because I was tired of using my spoon. This is so easy to clean, and it's like amazing. Y'all can check out my Amazon storefront in my description, and all these things will be on there, so if y'all interested. It has no taste. It just tastes like water and powder. So, but it works. I think it works better with water. I used to try to do it with like orange juice or like milk and stuff like that, but I feel like with water, I don't know, for some reason it just get there, and within a few hours, yeah.
Oh, you should be seeing the forms soon.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, no problem.
All right. Like, I'm more stressed about packing because it's last minute and I'm still doing laundry, and yeah, and I still want to work out, and I still have my hair to do. So, and it's not even 5 o'clock yet. So yeah, I don't know how I'm going to try to fit everything in my schedule, but it has to get done, and I have class today. So yeah, real quick, if you guys are not aware, if you are new here, I actually sell a fitness tracksuit for my modest girls who want to work out and be comfortable and be
confident and beautiful in their gear when they go to the gym. So if you are interested and if you're not familiar, I'll go ahead and put my Instagram and my website so you can check me out. But let's get this going. I'm packing up the black nausea and the olive for my girl. I cannot wait to see it on her. I really hope it fits and I really hope she likes it. Yo, this is one of my homegirls that she ordered every single color, and when I say she is so supportive, the way she support me, man, subhanallah, alhamdulillah for her. So far she got all the colors, and now she finally bought the black one. The black one is fairly new, so it's a little bit different than the other colors, because the black one I actually added a little bit more things to it based on what the customers, the reviews said for the other ones. But as far as new designs, I'm thinking about it. And as far as restock, I'm definitely not restocking. This is it. So I only got a few in stock left, especially for the olive. Don't have any bigger size anymore. I have like mediums and stuff, but I really do think the black one is like the best. Let's start packing. It's so hard to pack because it's like I always want to be comfortable, especially going down south. I usually don't do anything, but you just never know. So I don't know what to pack. But I'm just gonna grab some stuff that I know I'll be comfortable with, but I'll still be looking a little cute with. So let's start there. I'm very comfortable with this. It's like, it's not too dressy, but it's like very casual and very comfy. But at the same time, I'm not sure if I want to wear it, but I'm going to put it to the side. This is definitely a yes. This is something I wear all the time, and I will forever repeat this outfit because it's comfy, yet it's still like, okay, you know, she don't look bad, but she's don't look like extra. It gives me that. So I'm seeing some of my homegirls this weekend. We don't have any plans, so hence this is why this is difficult. So mostly I'm going to pack like a bunch of sweats and then a few little cute outfits. Okay. Green. Okay, this is the green version of the beige one. I think this color will work a little bit more. Okay, I think this is it for dresses. And now I am going to look for pants. Listen, we getting somewhere, okay? I'll finalize everything tonight. I'm gonna leave it open just in case I'm missing anything else. But as of right now, this is it. Yeah, ugly weather. It's raining. But we are going to the gym because the rain, the weather don't stop anybody. That's what she said, or that's what he said? That's not it? No, that's not it. We made it just in time to UPS, so yeah. It's raining. finish packing and be out. This guy got me stopping at ShopRite. Still raining. Ah! Gotta get us some meat. It's raining when I came home to like my box soaked. And this is like literally, this is my camera. Hopefully it didn't get damaged. Yo, this is wild. Oh. I'm home like super late, but let's do a quick unboxing. Since I'm leaving, I'm gonna go ahead and try to take this with me. Okay, so I bought an Apple AirTag because we lost our bags for like days, like I think a week, right babe?
2 weeks.
2 weeks coming from Bali. So we don't want that to happen again. So I decided that I was going to invest in an Apple AirTag. Yeah, this is so wet. Bruh, if it's like messed up, I'm just gonna have to return it. Maybe I should take a picture of it just in case so they could see like the damage.
Because you can use the video as proof.
That too. Smart thinking. Okay. Let me open that boy. Whew. It's like, it's wet. It's so wet. I hope they...
That's what he said.
I hope they did the package so well that it didn't get damaged. Okay, it looks like we're fine. Okay, so I decided to invest in the Insta360. It's super tiny, but I heard really good things, and it's actually waterproof. So instead of getting a GoPro, this literally could take videos, pictures. I'll try to show you guys how it works once I figure it out if you guys are interested, but I am super excited for this one. It's mount anywhere. It's waterproof, auto editing, slow motion, remote control. I'm excited. I am excited. I'm still going to invest in a camera, but I'm excited for this because I travel a lot and I think this is going to be awesome. Okay, and then I think the next thing is I ended up purchasing a tripod. Yo, the amount of tripod I have, like, this is just going like collection. I'm collecting tripods at this point. But this tripod is super long, and it's actually for the Insta360. Basically, it's like a handheld tripod, and then you put it, and then it's like, instead of getting what is it called? Babe, what was it? A drone. Okay, so I was going to get a drone, but I decided that I'm probably not going to use it. I'm not exactly sure. So I was like, you know what? Let me get something, because I also wanted a GoPro. So that's why I decided to do the Insta360, because I'm able to like record. Like, this is a very long tripod. Let me see if I can open it so you guys can see it. I'm sure that I can record like a drone type of thing, and then also do like underwater footage as well. So you see where I'm going with this? Yeah. I am going to open this in a little bit. I'm going to show y'all. And this is their AirTag. Once I get a hang of this and showing you guys like my daily or my weekly activities, then I'll be able to like shoot better content for y'all. But as of right now, this is what we're going for. As you can see, I just came from the gym. So yeah. Okay, so this is okay, let's go ahead and save that boy. I don't know okay, I don't know what this is. Okay, but I just want to show you guys the length. Okay, look at this boy. Look how tall, look how long this tripod is. I think this also, is this the one? I'm not exactly sure if this the one that, look at that, it's like touching my ceiling. But I'm not sure if I bought the one with the leg or the attachment where you could attach leg to it. Okay, I'll figure it all out. Like, I don't need it right now, but I'll figure it out before I go on my trip. Not my trip tomorrow, but before I go out the country. But look how long this is, y'all. Look at this. Taller than me. So just imagine, like, with my hand holding it and then holding the it's the 360 and going like this. Be ready for some fire footage, okay? I really hope it works, inshallah. Okay, so yeah. Let's go ahead and put this out. It's very lightweight too. Hopefully it will do exactly what I want it to do. I want to test it out. I'll probably take it to Miami with me because my brother will be able to help me out a little bit on how to do this. I feel like I'm missing some pieces, but I'm not exactly sure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hurry up because I need to eat. I'm starving, okay?